And
That's okay. That's all right.
Don't put your hands out.
Actually, you're the one
What
that
is
came
your
towards
address?
me.
What is the address here?
You don't need to yell at me, sir.
No, you need to tell me what the address here.
Okay.
Tell me what the
Address is right here, 525 West Sprague.
It's 5.15 Sprague.
525 West Sprague.
525 Sprague.
Okay.
Dude, who do you think you are? Just tell me that.
My name is Sergeant Canberg.
Sergeant?
Yes.
Sergeant what?
Canberg.
Canberg?
Yes, sir.
Camberg.
Close. Canberg.
Can?
Yes.
Like a C-A or
Yes.
K-A-N? I'm not gonna walk away. Because this fool has no coordination over me.
Okay.
Do you really think you do?
Do you mind just kind of stepping away from me a little bit, please? Thank you. Hey, Joe.
Hey.
I got somebody from Detox coming to kind of talk with you a little bit, okay? I'll
that?
kind of hang out here for a minute, all right?
Kelly? Watch this. Watch this, Kelly. Just watch.
Sir, could you step away from me,
No, I
please?
probably won't.
Okay. Could you step away from me, please? I'm asking very nicely.
Your reach is far enough to me.
Okay. Could you step away from me,
No,
please?
I think you're far.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Okay, you're about ready to be arrested. Step
am
away
I?
from me, please.
Kelly,
Step away from
Kelly,
me,
just
please.
watch him.
All right?
Watch him, Kelly. His.
Okay, sir, I've asked
Touch
you
me.
to step away
I
from
dare
me.
you to touch me.
right.
I dare you to
You're
fucking
about
touch
ready
me.
to be
I
arrested.
dare you to touch me.
Just step
Touch
away
me.
from me, please.
Touch me.
All right?
I dare you to fucking touch me. I dare you
Okay.
to touch me. Touch
Could
me.
you step away from me, please?
No, I will stand right here on the fucking sidewalk, public sidewalk, and I dare you to goddamn touch me.
Sir,
I
you
fucking
have
dare.
nothing,
No,
you
fuck
have
you,
no
dude.
idea
Touch
what's
me.
going on here.
You
Step
have
away
no
from
idea.
me
Touch
and
me.
keep your hands out of
Touch
my
me.
face, please.
Then touch me.
Thank you.
Touch me.
Could you stay?
All of this is being recorded. Touch me right now.
Congratulations.
No, motherfucker.
Do you want to go to jail tonight or not?
I'm not going to go to jail.
If you keep up the attitude you've got,
Touch
you're
me.
gonna go to
Stay
jail.
away from me.
Touch me.
Okay?
Touch me. Touch me right now.
Now, right now I'm dealing with the other gentleman here. You're hindering and delaying. No, I don't
I'm
shake hands with you.
What is that?
I'm
what
not
you
shaking
said?
hands with you.
What did you say?
I'm going to ask.
I'm
I said-
hindering an investigation.
No.
Are you
I'm
serious?
dealing with this gentleman here. I'm going to ask you to step away.
You're dealing-
Thank you.
You know what? You are not a law enforcement.
I'm asking you to step away.
You are not a
Thank
law
you.
enforcement officer. Do you understand?
Step away from
Do you
me.
understand that you are not?
Step away
no,
from
don't
me.
fucking touch me. Do you
Step away
understand?
from me.
Do not touch me. Do you understand that you are not a law enforcement investigator?
220, could you start me at
Fuck
13?
you.
Step away from me.
Fuck you, bitch. If you hit me like that again, I will fuck you up. Do you understand that?
Step away from
Do
me.
not fucking touch me, bitch.
Step away from
Don't
me. You're
fucking-
under arrest. You're under arrest.
Calm down, dude.
I'm under arrest, bitch. Really? Come stop me, bitch.
Charlie 41, I'll be around for that unit.
There was an echo across from our bus station.
Sprague and Post.
Already showed up.
Sir!
Hey, don't go.
Sir, have a seat. Sir, have a seat on the
Don't
ground.
touch me until I record
Have
you.
a seat on the ground. Have a seat on the ground.
Do not touch me until I
Thank you
record
very much.
Do not touch me.
Get on your stomach.
Alright, they're recording me.
Have a seat
Yeah,
on your
they're
stomach.
recording me. Yes,
Put your arms out to
absolutely.
the side. You're under arrest. Put your arms out to the side, sir.
That's alright.
You're under
Hey,
arrest.
Kelly, just stay on the line, okay? Please stay on the line. Stay on the line, Kelly. They're